Oh, this ain't happening. I can't go to jail, guys.
Okay, what are you going to do?
Huh?
You are going to jail.
A former Ridgewood, New Jersey resident who previously fled after being charged with possession of child was arrested again on February 29, 2024, in Indiana. Authorities say Robert Flynn was originally arrested in 2019 by Bergen County Prosecutor's Office detectives, who alleged he downloaded more than 1,600 illegal files and shared over 150 of them online. After being booked into the Bergen County Jail, Flynn was released the following day and later left the state. Years later, law enforcement tracked him down in Indiana, where he was taken back into custody.
How are you? What's your name, ma'am?
Hanshu.
What is
my house. What's going on?
Okay. Is Robert Flynn here?
Robert who?
Flynn.
No, it's Robert Hanshu. We don't know a Robert Flynn. What's going on?
What's your address here?
6260.
6260.
Okay. So
all right.
we need to
is
go
it,
one more over.
Is it the wrong address?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're
You
fine.
scared me. You scared me.
6200.
Okay, that's not. Yeah, I've never heard of that person. Robert Flynn.
All right. Yeah, not you guys.
Oh, thank
Okay.
you.
Yep.
To the back, there's going to be two houses to the north.
He's ready. Somebody come to the door. There he went. He's in the house. State police, come to the door.
Hi.
Hey, I need Robert to come to the door now.
Where's he at?
I saw him go back this way. Tell him to get out here. Robert!
Yeah, contact in the back.
Where's he at?
Put your hands up. Turn around. Turn around. Go to your knees. Go to your knees.
Go to your knees.
Go to your knees. Keep your hands up.
What's going on? Wait a minute.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Hey, come on down.
Get down. Move, guys. Move. Taser. 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 Taser deployed. Stop. Stop resisting. Give me your hand. You're going to get it again.
What's going on?
You're going to get it again.
Please, please,
Guys, like,
please. Hey, I can't.
stop resisting.
I can't help it.
Yeah, I got his arm.
Somebody get an arm.
I have his
Come
arm.
on, guys. I'm cool.
Stop moving.
Stop moving.
Keep your hands up.
I got them.
Back there.
Just let me out. Please,
We'll let you up in a second. Hold on.
please.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting. You're going to get tased again.
You will be tased.
Give us your hand now or you will be tased again.
Oh,
Do you understand?
yes.
Stop resisting now.
What's going on?
You have a warrant. Stop resisting. Relax. Give us your hands.
I can't leave.
Give us your hands.
Just let me out.
We will get you up in just a
won't
second.
resist.
Give us your hand.
See.
Just let me.
Quit pulling your hand to your stomach.
Stop resisting now!
I got his wrist.
51A.
Get up. Sit him up.
Get up. 52. Just for check out.
Get my teeth.
51A.
Listen. Just listen to me for a second.
51A.
I'm listening. What you got to say? What you got to say?
I can't breathe.
Hey, I got EMS on the way, bud. You want to sit up?
Sit up. Sit him up on his butt. Okay.
51A Pendleton. Advice, 100.
The only reason I'm not trying to fight you guys.
Why'd you run for?
I'm just,
You ran and you fought and you don't listen. Guess what? Now you're getting resisting law enforcement at the local.
guys, just listen to me for a second. Can I just stand up, please?
No, not right now.
Sit there.
Sit there. Hey, sit there and catch your breath.
I'm very claustrophobic. That's why I freaked out.
Okay.
Who called him? What am I being arrested for?
You got a warrant out for you. New Jersey.
Catch your breath. Just relax.
Can I stand up, please?
In a second, we'll let you stand up.
I want you to catch your breath for just a minute, okay?
EMF, no.
If we stand you up and you try to run, you're going to get tased automatically. You understand that?
I can't breathe. Who called you?
We got notified by the agency in New Jersey that there was a warrant out for you. Let's let him in the chair.
You sit in this chair for me?
Where?
We're going to move you over.
Ow, these things are killing me.
Sam.
What's going to happen, guys?
You're going to go. Listen, I'll tell you. We're going to take you to the Madison County Jail. We're going to read you a copy of the warrant. You're going to be extradited to New Jersey. Okay?
Oh, this ain't happening.
Sit back.
Don't move.
Look, Jason.
I'll talk to them. So they're good.
I'm just extremely claustrophobic,
Okay.
and that's the reason why I'm freaking out.
Well, you ran when I knocked on the door.
Well, all of a sudden I seen lights coming at me. We just I had the ambulance here that took my friend away because he ain't doing well. You know, my childhood friend. And I see you guys coming. I don't know what's going on. Guys,
I'm going to go in there and talk to her for just a minute.
Here, put this on, get you a little bit warmer.
no, I'm okay. I got no feeling. No, I can't.
You don't want it?
I can't have it on. I feel closed in. I told you I'm extremely claustrophobic.
Okay, you're outside, so cool it.
It doesn't matter.
Get your Miranda. Go ahead.
I can't go to jail, guys.
Okay, well, you're going to jail.
Huh?
You are going to jail.
Just shoot me. Kill me now. I swear to God. I can't go. Can I have my teeth?
In a minute.
I can't. How'd you know I was here?
I got it in there. I just got to dig it out.
Jason!
He's talking to somebody right now.
This ain't happening. I can't.
Oh, shit. My bad. Just leave it. Sit back.
Man, do you have to...
You're going to sit like that. Stop moving forward.
After what we had earlier, we're all calm
Well,
down.
you guys scared the crap out of me when you're coming around.
All right, I'm going to read you this, so I just need you to be quiet. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you can and say will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney before answering any questions. You have an attorney with you during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be provided for you free of cost if you so desire. You have the right to stop answering questions at any time. Do you understand these rights? Do you understand the rights you just read? Yes or no?
I don't know.
Okay.
What? Can I get Angie or something?
In a second. Yep.
I can't.
Sit back.
I can't. Can I?
Sit back.
Someone got my flashlight?
I think I found one on the ground. I didn't know whose it was. I just collected it.
Angie!
She's talking right
Jason!
now.
Hey,
They're
they're
talking
gonna
right
be
now.
inside. You're right here. That's how this works.
How long am I going to be in jail?
I don't know.
That's the warrant. I didn't think I had a bond on it. So until New Jersey comes and gets you, you'll be taken back to New Jersey for the warrant.
Just shoot me. Just shoot me. Please. Seriously.
What?
That's not going to
Did you
happen.
lose something?
Nah, I don't think so.
All right. So now that we got the door shut and I can talk to you guys.
Yes.
So
Okay.
are you the one that notified?
Yes, today I did. I tell you what, it was the past month or two actually. I had just felt
I've even said
really,
something to him because she's my girlfriend.
I felt
I felt
off. I just felt really off because for when he's 70 years old, why are you not getting Social Security? You know what I mean?
we have to get it for him.
That
2250.
Everything, but he stays broke.
Position one,
Lives here with
copy.
John Paul, his friend.
How long has he been here?
he's been here for 9 months.
9 months. Okay.
And I mean, we was going to do everything for him. Give him Social Security. I said, have you ever had a job? Even if you haven't, you'll get it.
So do you folks know that what his warrants are for?
Well,
We do now.
this is what. Okay. I just, like I said, I felt off about him, and I got on the sex thing, the sex website. Couldn't find his name, and
We looked him up everywhere.
So I was at my friend's house the other night, like 3 nights ago, and I said, "Can you just?" I said, "I've been making this harder on me than what I do." I said, "Can you just Google Robert Flynn, New Jersey?" And it came right up three things down on Google, and I started reading it, and I was just like, "Oh my God, I feel sick." I'm like, I said,
Called me. I live in Muncie. I said, well, come get me.
I'm recording right now, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to ask you a couple questions real quick.
That's
Could you
fine.
just give me your name and date of birth? So he's been here about 9 months.
Yes.
You folks let evidently New Jersey know because they're the ones who contacted us.
Yes. Well, when I was on the phone, I didn't know if he hung up on me or not because the officer, he goes, "Well, have you tried your
Yeah,
local law
'cause she was
enforcement?"
talking
And
to
I
him
go,
today.
"Yeah." I said, "They told me to call New Jersey, and I've been literally dealing with this for 2
Yeah.
days."
So we're having to bring an ambulance because he fought and had to get tased.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah.
When we knocked on the door, I saw him run.
Oh, I know. He goes, "It's the cops. I'm out of here." And I'm like, "It's because you're fucking wanted."
Okay, so he told you guys he was going to run.
No, he didn't tell me. I was in the bedroom when he said
Okay,
the cops here.
I just saw him.
Him take off. I thought, what the fuck? I didn't know he was here. I didn't know it happened that quick.
Honestly, I thought you guys were still here about John. Because
Yeah.
being looked at the hospital.
Okay.
That's why
I don't think so. Hell, they're over across the street. Why would they have parked across the street and done something to me? I mean,
Yeah.
I didn't understand.
Or I
that.
thought,
Okay.
that's across the street. But
Well, and
I'm so glad you're here.
so you guys know that he ran from us. You saw him go out the back door. I think he may have torn up the screen door because I think he hit it pretty hard. And we just had to take him to the ground. You understand why we did what we did.
Right.
We asked him to comply. He wouldn't comply. He let us handcuff
I
him.
got shocked one time in my younger years when I was 23. I'm
I'm just so
53.
thankful that
Never
you
again
guys kept-
over a
because
traffic
I literally
ticket,
have
you
put
know?
down my daughter's pictures in my room.
You folks got a piece of paper and a pen real quick.
That's what I got a notebook in your room.
All righty.
I told her to come get me when she told me that a couple days ago. I said, "You're uncomfortable, come get me." And I said something to him. And this is that he said, "So do you know everything?" I said, "Everything my girlfriend knows, which is a lot, dude."
Yeah.
And he went to explain. I said, "I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't want to be, involved in that shit. All you got to do is say yes or no." And he said, "Yes." I said, "That's all it is, Bob. Don't be staring at my old lady, because when she goes back and she'll leave the door. Not you
Do me a
back there."
favor, write your name, date of birth, and a telephone number that I can reach you at for both of you.
Stand there and stare at it. And I've had to talk with him before he knew all this.
Yeah.
And then after this, I had to talk to him. I'm like, "Dude, if that's the case, you ain't got to tell me. I'm
Yeah.
nobody. But you got to answer it one day." I said, "But if it is, don't let me catch you standing there staring at my old lady or the other girls that come
No,
over
he was not going to be
because,
here. No, because I have no daughter.
Just name, date of birth, and a telephone number for both of you. I appreciate you guys helping us out. We needed to get him arrested.
Yes, big
So
time.
you won't be seeing him again. We've got a warrant. He's going to be extradited back to New Jersey.
Thank
Yeah,
God.
I mean, hopefully they're.
I gotta stand, please.
No.
Nope.
You've already tried running once? No
I
way.
wasn't trying to run away. I didn't know what the hell
You were
was
at the
going
back door
on.
when I made it back here.
And then he
So
told
you
you
wanted
to
to
stop
fight.
moving, and you kept moving.
Well, you guys were on top of me and I couldn't breathe, and I told you I was claustrophobic. I would have listened to you if you would have just Forget it. I can't do this.
Okay.
Ow.
Put your leg down.
You hurt me when you...
Listen to me. Law enforcement gives you orders. Means you listen. We tell you get on the ground, you get on the ground. We tell you put your hands behind your back, you put your hands behind your back. You start fighting us.
Well,
listen
sir,
to me. Nope, it's not your time to talk. You start fighting us, we're going to do what we have to get you into custody. Okay? You were warned. You were told multiple times to stop resisting by multiple officers. You were told multiple times by multiple officers to give us your hands. EMS is on the way to check you out. We're done talking. You have an active warrant. You ran from us. You did not listen to commands.
I'm sorry for that.
Okay.
I'm
sorry's out the window.
I'm just trying to explain to you the reason. If you knew
that you have an active warrant?
The only problem is that I got high blood pressure.
Well, when they get here, they'll check you out and send you on your way.
Just shoot me. I can't go to jail, guys.
Okay.
If you knew what claustrophobia is, and I'm prone to panic attacks. I saw you guys, and it made me panic. I didn't know what was going on. We were looking across the street, you know. We thought another ambulance was coming, and I opened up the door for you guys in the front. You don't remember that.
And then you were back at the back by the time I came back here trying to get out.
Well, I saw the lights coming in the back, and I was wondering what the hell was going on. What,
You
know.
definitely didn't.
Okay.
I can't. No. Ow, is my forehead?
It's cut.
Yeah, you got some cuts on there.
Ambulance just got here, so they're going to check you out. Get the prongs out of your back from the taser.
I could care less. Just shoot me. I can't do this. I'm just being honest. I know what the warrant's for.
You do?
Yeah, because I was moving back here, and I thought I'd be back in time because I had a court date. But my court date kept getting changed, or because it was there in the pandemic. And that's when I found out they had a warrant out for my arrest.
Okay, well, he read you your rights. We're not going to talk to you about it. You didn't want to talk to us, so sit there and wait. EMS check you out, all right?
Angie! Can I go in and talk to her?
No.
You guys got me handcuffed. I'm not going to do anything.
You got to get checked out first.
He was charged with resisting law enforcement, disorderly conduct, and possession of child. He remained held in the Madison County Jail pending extradition to Bergen County.